Now that all 4 parts are completed, let's take a look at how to assemble this sunflower wobbler toy. We've already made the flower head, base, leaf, base. First, take the headpiece, the part 1. Attach the flower head to the head base. Press it in like this. The stuffing inside will help it hold shape. Gently pinch to secure. Now the head assembly is all set. Next, from your kit, you'll find multiple face patches. Choose your favorite expression. Just like sunglasses, vibrant purple, classic red, or cool white. Personally, I love this cheerful one. Alright. The kit includes a spring and a hot glue stick. If you don't want it to shake, you can also do without the spring. Light up your glue gun first. Okay, apply hot glue to the back of the face patch. Press it onto the head. Hold firmly for 10 seconds to set the glue. Set aside to cool. Now for the leaves. This is the wrong side, and here's the right side. For the base, either side works. Again using hot glue. On the wrong side, run a bead along the center. Add small glue dots. Okay. Align and press down. Apply even pressure. After the main bond sets, add small glue dots under each leaf tip. Secure all edges. Let cool completely. Reinforce each leaf. Pro tip: keep glue within seams Excess can be peeled off later. Last leaf. Now our leaf base assembly is done. Next, take the spring from your kit. If you'd like a fun car companion, attach the flower head to the base with the spring. Take the spring from your kit. It has adhesive pads on both ends. Insert into the base center. Peel the bottom liner to mount on any flat surface, like a car dash. When mounted on your dashboard, this cheerful sunflower will dance along with every turn of the road. For a stationary decoration, simply secure the head directly to the base using hot glue. If you use spring for extra strength, add hot glue around the spring base before attaching the head. Position the head. Flat against the spring top. Press firmly for 20 seconds. Your sunflower wobbler is ready. If you're using it as a tabletop decoration, you don't need to secure the base or peel the adhesive backing and stick it anywhere you like. This way, you can move your sunflower around and style it however you want.